Thank you so much for tuning in to Mommy and Me.
The
Listers today, we're doing something really cool. It's our first time doing it. We're starting our own Christmas tradition. We're about to bake cookies for
Santa!
And we're excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? So we're excited. We just have some regular Pillsbury cookies because I am not a baker.
Peanut butter.
And we have some, what are these? What are these? What are these? We have some carrots for the
reindeer.
reindeer. Okay, so ready to get started?
Yes.
Push the number 3. The number 3. Good. The number 2. The number 2.
What's the number 2? That one.
Good. And the number 5.
Number 5. Can we find it?
Yes, you found it. Great job. And can we have 2 more?
Yes. 2 more.
Great job. Okay, so how many cookies do we have total? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. High five. Good job. So we have 4 cookies. You think that'll be enough? Or
Yes.
should we do more?
More.
Okay. How many more?
6.
You want to do 6 more cookies?
Yes.
6 more cookies will give us a total of 10 cookies. Okay, count with me.
1, 2, 3.
All right, so that's 3 cookies. Put it down.
Crack. There.
Okay, let me help you arrange it real quick.
There.
All right, so we need 3 more cookies.
3 more cookies. Crack. Ooh.
1, 2, and oh, you already had them. 3, perfect. All right, can we count how many cookies we have on the cookie sheet all together?
Yes.
All right, can you help mommy?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna touch them and count them. Go. Start right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. We have 10 cookies. I think 10 cookies would be enough.
No. Can we do more?
You want to add 2 more? Okay. If we add 2 more from 10, and we add 2 more from 10, what number, hold on, listen. What number comes after 10?
9.
That comes before 10. What number comes after? 9, 10,
11.
11. Hold on, wait, listen. 11 and
12.
12. So we have 12 cookies on our cookie sheet.
We got here. What do we got? Ooh, what do we got?
We have cookies. We have to let them cool off for 2 minutes, okay?
2 minutes. We have to eat them. We had a little more milk, carrots, and cookies.
Oh, oh, oh. Very good.
What is it scary? What is down there? What is down there?
Shoot.
We got jingle bells.
Oh.
It's very
Chrissy, Chrissy.
What is it? What is the thing? What is the thing? What's...
Who is it?
Santa! It's Santa!
Oh, you caught Santa. So have you been a good little girl?
What is it?
Who is it?
Santa.
Gracie, look. Come down.
What is it? She got it in your house.
He has jingle bells. Look what he left for you under the tree. Look.
Wow.
Look.
Thank you for leaving me the cookies that milk, little girl.
He ate your cookies.
Yeah.
Look, Santa left you some presents.
Oh.
I'm gonna go give Santa a big hug. You wanna do it with mommy?
No.
Oh.
You don't want to hug Santa. It's okay.
See you later, Santa.
See you later, Santa.
All right, Chrissy. Bye.
Bye.
We love you, Santa.
We love you, Santa.
I love you too, Chrissy.
Oh.
Be right back. How will it work?
How does it work?
It's a magic, a science magic kit.
It's a magic kit.
Yes.
All right.
It
How forever.
It's a lava lamp.
is a marmalade.
Uh-huh. You
Yes.
can make your own. We're gonna be doing that. All right. And you have, wanna open that one?
Yes, please.
What is that?
Oh,
You have
listen.
some, oh, is it heavy? Let's see to help you.
It's a Craftsman toolbox. You have a lot of tools.
Yay!
Yay,
What's that?
A VTech wriggle and crawl ball.
The rolling ball.
She likes it. I think she likes it.
She does too. Your pizza.
What is it?
I know.
What is it? What is my special ball?
I think sister likes it. Can you give me the other box for Kinsley? You like it, Kinsley? All right, we have this one for Kinsley. It's a leapfrog, learn and groove,
Yeah.
shaking colors maracas. It's perfect for her because she really loves music. Anything musical, she loves it. Loves it. Anything musical.
Wait, Chrissy.
Hold on, babe. And it says it in English and Spanish. Red is rojo. Can you say that?
Yes.
Say rojo.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Yay! Okay, we have some more surprises.
What is it?
What is this?
It's a bicycle.